Since 2014, Extreme Aerial Productions has been at the bleeding edge of aerial data collection for its survey firms, engineers, and land developers. The point clouds that you see, the digital visualization that we're presenting to you, ensures that you get the very best of detail, the highest resolution, so that your engineering firms can design better, design quicker, you can actually have us fly after the project starts, and we can do everything from design changes to calculation quantities to progression to design for your engineering, survey firms, and your clients. Reach out to us at Extreme Aerial Productions. We'd be happy to share with you how we do it and why we do it the way that we do. As of May 2021, with 13,000 missions under our belt, I think we've been able to produce the very best that technology of today can produce for you, our client.